Google Ads for junk removal. How to get more leads. Are you looking to boost your junk removal business with more leads? Google Ads might be your answer. In this video, we'll show you how to craft an effective Google Ads strategy to attract more customers. First, identify your target audience. Focus on location-specific keywords like junk removal near me or waste disposal your city. This ensures your ads reach potential clients in your service area. Next, create compelling ad copy. Highlight your unique selling points, such as same-day service or eco-friendly disposal. Include a clear call to action, encouraging potential clients to contact you right away. Leverage ad extensions to provide additional information, like your phone number or a direct link to book services. This can increase your ad's visibility and click-through rate. Set a realistic budget and bid strategy. Monitor your campaigns closely and adjust your bids based on performance. Start with a small budget to test what works best, then scale up. Regularly analyze your ad performance. Use Google Ads Analytics to track key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click. This helps you fine-tune your strategy for better results. Lastly, ensure your landing page is optimized. It should be user-friendly, load quickly, and provide clear information about your services, reinforcing the message from your ad. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more ways to grow your business using digital marketing strategies.